Hi, this is Yige's homework number 5. For the first questions, on-chain transactions make systematic markets risk more transparent to the analysts and regulators. Add to that near-instant settlement times, immutable transaction records, network resistantly. For the next question, security token is meant to serve simply as highly liquid substitute for a traditional security, but utility token contains assets that do not purport to replace legacy financial service products. For the third question, the Supreme Court provided the simple definition of that term. Contract transaction of stream whereby a person invests his money in common enterprise is lead to expect profit solely from the efforts of the promoter or a third party, and many courts in the succeeding 71 years have further expounded on each of consistent parts of this test, and known as Hoey test. For the four questions, already functional utility token really satisfies both explanation of profits and from the efforts of others. But the pre-functional utility token, developers sell utility token period to the network launch and period to genuine utility so that efforts of others is satisfied. For the next question, first one, it benefits the investor protection laws to minimize efforts on innovation, but maximize the entrepreneurial opportunity. It also reflects the actually happening in the today's market. The third one is potentially eliminating the inputs behind the mass of developers to foreign jurisdictions. For the last question, first, bridges regulation waters between the web paper and the functional network MVP. Also, it is not very useful to non-utility tokens. Ultimately, not every already functional utility token will fit to the Hoey test.